Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So today I am here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today, and the question is: Need some tips? I want to create a conversion action in my Google Ads account for customers that have booked a service appointment, and then upload the conversion value and eventually optimize the campaign towards this conversion action, and not just towards a phone call conversion. I use CallRail for lead tracking, and I have my CRM that match the data between the two. Can someone guide me through a couple of tips on what's the best practice? Another question: Can I use the GCLate of a lead appointment track user search terms that I don't want to bid on or that are low quality leads? I know I can see cost per conversion based on a search term keyword, but I feel that teaching the campaign the type of person we would be more interested will be more valuable than just a search term. Any feedback, Okay, first of all, if you want to teach the campaign or the system, let me tell you that this is an ever evolving process, and you may need to continuously work on this thing. So if you are thinking on this thing, you need to continuously work on. Second, as far as the question is, you want to create a conversion action on your ads account for customers that have booked a service appointment, and then upload the conversion value and eventually optimize the campaign towards this conversion action. So for a conversion action, you can easily create a conversion. Plus you can use Google Tag Manager, and that can help you with this. So Google Tag Manager is the solution for your first question, that you can easily use Google Tag Manager, and you can easily manage it, and eventually optimize the campaign. So you can upload through it as well. So for your second question, can I use the GC of a lead appointment tracking? Okay, for user search terms, I do not want to bid on. Okay, this is not possible. So it won't help you in figuring out what queries people are, uh, leads are exactly coming from. So that won't help you. So I hope this answers your question. So thank you for watching. In case if you still have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.